All right, hello again. This one is 5.3. Directions say solve by substitution. Now, 2 worksheets ago, we had 2 equations and that said solve by graphing. So yeah, I could put up a graph and I could graph these and get the point of intersection. But I'm not going to do this by graphing. There's a different method. So graphing's the first way. The substitution the second way, and if you turn ahead, there's a third method called elimination, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Okay, substitution. If you look at your first equation, y equals x minus 4, I'm going to take what y equals and substitute it in place of the other y. I'll say that again. You take what y equals and substitute it, replace it, into the other y. So I'm going to rewrite this equation as 4x plus y, but instead of y, I'm going to put in x minus 4 equals 26. Now solve that for x. Well, this 4x and this plus x, that makes a 5x minus 4 is 26. Let's keep solving. Add 4 to both sides. That gives me 5x equals 30. Divide by 5, and x then equals 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. But I'm not quite done. I'm almost. I now need to take that answer of 6 and find the y. In other words, I'm going to take this 6 and I'm going to substitute it again in place of the x. So y, instead of writing x minus 4, I'm going to write 6 minus 4. So y is 2. Then finally, if I write my final answer as an ordered pair, like x comma y, it needs to be written as 6 comma 2. X is 6, y is 2. Let's try the second one. This one says s equals t plus 4, and then 2t plus s is 19. I'm going to take what s equals, which is t plus 4, and replace it, substitute it in for the other s. So rewriting this bottom equation, 2t plus, instead of s, I'm going to write t plus 4 equals 19. And let's solve that red equation. I'll combine like terms. 2t and t make 3t plus 4 is 19. Subtract 4 from both sides. That gives me 3t equals 15. And then lastly, divide by 3. So t equals 5. Then I now need to find s. So I take this 5 and I substitute it right there. So s equals, instead of t plus 4, I'm going to write 5 plus 4. So s is 9. So 2 answers. T is 5, s is 9. Okay, I would recommend and advise you to hit the pause button and try this second one on your own. I'm sorry, this third one on your own. With this one, y equals x plus 7. And I'm going to take that and put it in place of that y. So I'm going to rewrite that top equation as 2x plus 3y, and this requires parentheses. It needs to be written like that. So parentheses need to be added into this problem. Well, I'm going to do distributive property to solve this. So 2x plus 3x plus 21 is 31. Combine the 2x and 3x into 5x plus 21 is 31. and then subtract 21 from each side. Gives me 5x equals 10. And then finally divide by 5. So I get x equals 2. And I take that 2, and I got to put it right there in place of x. So y is, instead of x plus 7, it's 2 plus 7, where y is 9. I write that as an ordered pair. It would be 2, 9. All right. Oops. That's all I have for you. Good luck on these.